Hey folks, it's Jerry from York River Cannabis. And so you want to be a hemp farmer, huh? Well, it doesn't come without problems. It sounds great and all, and we're having fun doing it. But we're also going to tell you the not fun parts. And today it looks like we might lose another 2 plants. Um, as you can see there, both have kind of wilted over. And this is from the first batch, where we had a really good germination. We had 19 out of 20 seeds germinate. And these 2 would make 6 that have kind of died. I'll take you outside and show you the other ones. But if you know of why this could be occurring, leave a comment in the comments section. We did do a pH test. There's a strip right there. Came back at 6.8, which is right where we want to be for outdoor grows. So it's not the water, but leave a suggestion and I'll take you outside and show you the other plants. Okay, so we're outside. I'll show you all the plants now from that first batch, and the second batch not so confident in. So we started a third batch of that cherry one. And as I said in my previous video, get a ton of seeds. You know, if you're starting with clones, you've definitely got an advantage, but you're going to pay a lot more for them. And some people don't like clones because of soil stuff. You know, you might be introducing some bugs that you don't want. So I prefer seeds anyway. But here's our 10 good guys. They're all looking pretty good. A couple of smaller ones back there, but they've been fighting pretty strong. Now we've got these 3 over here. So these are 13 very good plants. But we started with 19 sprouts. So we've lost a total of 6 to 2 inside or on life support. Here's a do and don't. Definitely just don't use that Miracle Grow, like I said in my previous video. And what I'm starting to believe is with these sprouts, the reason why they're so vigorous is because these were the first ones to break shell and grow. They also spent their first few days inside. Now, as the weather got warmer here in Virginia, I decided to move them outside. And I'm going to try with the T1s when I plant those, probably when I get back from Vermont on Monday. And I think that could be the key. But I just wanted to give you an update. We're losing them left and right here. We're losing another 2 this afternoon, which is not cool. So hemp farming sounds great, but you know, it has its difficulties. But anyways, follow us on Instagram at York River Cannabis and hit the subscribe button, and don't mind, give us a like. If you like these videos, keep watching. Thanks for watching.